A Song for Issy Bradley is the novel about the Bradley family during a particularly sad autumn. Their youngest daughter, Izzy, dies suddenly and unexpectedly, and the novel explores what happens next. It's the story of Ian, the dad, who is a Mormon bishop, and he's also a full-time maths teacher, and he thinks that if everybody just carries on like the Mormon pioneers, that everything will be fine. And it's the story of his wife, Claire, who is waiting for a sign from God, and she just wants everything to stop while she comes to terms with what's happened. It's the story of their teenage daughter, Zippy, who is in love for the first time, and the story of Alma, who is sceptical and cynical and perhaps doesn't fit with the rest of the family. And it's the story of their 7-year-old son, Jacob, who thinks that if he just has enough faith and just tries, that maybe he can fix everything with a miracle. A Song for Issy Bradley is a meditation on doubt and faith and longed for miracles. I used to imagine that it was also my personal farewell to the miraculous, but as I approached the end of the novel, I realised that there was a tacit admission that sometimes, in very exceptional circumstances, incredible things might just be possible.